Good day! In this video, we are going to do a revision on BEDMAS operation. There will be at least one question in every Year 9 and Year 10 exam that involve the BEDMAS operation. So without further ado, let's go through the mechanics of it. BEDMAS actually means bracket. B stands for bracket. E stands for exponent or the power. Sometimes it's BODMAS. O means operation. It's the same thing. D is divide or division. M is multiplication. A is addition. And S is subtraction. So if you remember the operation to do, the order of operation, then you should have no problem getting this 1 or 2 marks in the exam. So the blue division and multiplication are in blue because they have the same priority. So if you are working from left to right, whichever comes first, you are going to do them first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, so if the subtraction comes before the addition, you have to do the subtraction first before the addition. So they have the same priority. Whichever comes first, you do first. So we are going to look at 3 past year's exam questions and a viral question that has been circulating in the internet for the last 10 years and they are still arguing about it. So let's see whether you can solve this. So the first one is the first example. Calculate the minus 4 squared minus 2 plus 3 bracket, and that is the question. So to do this, it's very simple. You do the bracket first. This bracket you do first. So it's going to be minus 4 squared minus 5 because 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, minus 4 squared is different from minus 4 squared. If that's the case, that's going to be minus 16 because you do the operation first. But in this case, minus 4, the whole thing squared, is going to be positive 16. Minus 5, and the answer is 11. So hopefully, you can get 1 mark in the exam. Okay, next question is similar. This is another year of the exam question. So 16 minus 4 times 9 minus 7. So the first thing you do, you're going to do the bracket. So you're going to be 16 minus 4 times 2 because 9 minus 7 is 2. Now we have that. You have a minus and multiplication. Of course, we have to do a multiply first. So you're going to be 16 minus 4 times 2 is 8. So it's 16 minus 8 and the answer is 8. And that will be another 1 mark in the exam. Okay, great. Now we shall do another question and then we follow a viral question that has been circulating in internet for the past 10 years. The next one is also from the past year's exam, Year 10 exam. 10 times 3 minus 6 divided by 2. So what you're going to do, you do the multiply first. Because multiply and divide have the same priority. So we're going to do the multiplication first. So 12 times 3 is 36 minus 6 divided by 2. Excuse me. So you have a minus and a divide. Of course, you have to divide first. You go underline that. So you're getting 36 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. And the answer is 33. So that will be the 3 questions we have done in the exam. And we are going to look at this viral question that has been around for many years. So 8 divided by 2 bracket 2 plus 2. The first thing we're going to do, we do the bracket first as usual. 8 divided by 2, 4. Okay, this is where a lot of people do the thing wrong. They're going to multiply 2 by 4 first. But as I said, the order operation that you need to write 8 divided by 2, this is actually a multiplication times 4. Now you have divide and multiply. If you remember BEDMAS, multiply and divide have the same priority. So from you go from left to right, you have to do the division first. So it's going to be 8 divided by 4, 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4 times 4. And then the last part is equals to 16. How many of you got it right? If you can get it right, you understand BEDMAS well. Cheers everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.